We're wrapping up the weekend with a record jump in new coronavirus cases worldwide, with more than 230 new infections reported Sunday by the World Health Organization. Now that's up from the previous record just set Friday by a couple thousand. And now the biggest spikes are out of the big three. That's the U.S., Brazil, and India. Want to zoom in on India, where there are new lockdowns now in effect. A new single-day high in known COVID-19 cases out of India, the country adding more than 28,000 infections Sunday. Streets in several Indian cities now empty and barricaded as states impose lockdowns to control local outbreaks. Some regions imposing border restrictions, only those with passes proving they're traveling for valid reasons like essential services, including medical workers, are allowed to cross. And now fans offering prayers after a 77-year-old Bollywood legend and his son, daughter-in-law, and granddaughter tested positive for the virus.
We are praying to the God that Amitabh Bachchan recovers very soon and makes a comeback in the film industry and entertains us again.
India's film industry recently resumed work after a months-long shutdown. But actors over the age of 65 are barred from sets because they're vulnerable to the virus. To Australia, where the state of Victoria is marking a week of triple-digit increases in infections.
We haven't even gotten to a peak with this epidemic, and we have to throw absolutely everything at it. It's the public health challenge of our lifetime.
Melbourne, Victoria's capital, went under a 6-week lockdown on Thursday in an effort to control the spread.
This is a dangerous time. This is a very challenging time. And I know we're asking a lot of Victorians, but we simply have no choice but to acknowledge the reality we face. Only go out when you need to, and only go out for the purposes that are lawful.
Finally, in the UK, amid calls for the government to clarify guidelines on face masks, a senior minister saying Sunday,
should face masks be mandatory in shops in England?
I don't think mandatory, no, but I would encourage people to wear face masks. It is basic good manners.
This just a couple of days after the Prime Minister warned.
We need to be stricter in insisting that people wear face coverings in confined places.
In England, masks are currently only required on public transportation and when visiting hospitals. Britain has Europe's highest coronavirus death toll with almost 45,000 confirmed fatalities. Melissa Duggan, City News.